So here we are again. If you remember the last video, we were flying together, myself and Adrian, with the FMS Cessna 182s. We had a bit of a collision, totally my fault. Fortunately, just the prop and spinner needed replacing. No damage really to Adrian's, so we're all good to go again. So just to remind you that I'm using Caddx Walksnail GM3 gimbal and the GT2 kit FPV camera. And it's working really well, I have to say. So if I plug it in, the goggles are already on, then you can see how it moves. It fits in quite nicely and gives a very realistic view from the cockpit. So, all good, Adrian?
All good.
Same as last time then?
Yeah. we go.
So there you go, FPV conversion, head tracked FPV with Walksnail and works really, really well. Thanks for watching. See you next time.